Hey everybody, here at my house, and I was just looking out my bedroom window right here, and I saw this creeper. He's been here the past couple of days. Oh shit, there he is. What the hell? He's going somewhere. What the hell is he going? Oh shit. Oh, he's gonna play basketball. Oh, he sucks. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that shit. Let me get a better look. Watch this, I'm gonna swat him. Hey, buddy! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. There he is. Oh shit! He's going! Oh shit! He almost got me! Oh shit! He's taking off the basketball. Oh. Nice throw, buddy! Oh god, there. Oh, he's going to get the basketball. Hey, buddy, you want to do a little one-on-one game? See who wins? Okay? Let's do one-on-one, buddy. See who wins that. Okay, be ready to get schooled. We're doing one-on-one. Okay, buddy, prepare to be schooled. Fine, you have to check it. Okay, here you go. There you go, okay. Oh. What?